Hey there, welcome back to my channel. So in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can force stop all of the apps with a single click, and it will restrict the apps, all the running apps, from using your RAM and battery or all of the things, and maximize your mobile speed. Okay, so this is the easy method available on the internet. Okay, so let's dive into it. First, go to your app store or play store and search for Kill Apps. Believe me, this is the best software available on the internet. Install this. Open it. Now click on the play icon here. This is the play icon. Click on this and enable all of the settings needed. Tick this option and click OK here. Again, go back to this software and click on the play icon. Enable the display over other apps permission. Our software name is Kill Apps. Okay, so I'm enabling the Kill Apps display over other app permission. Now go back and click once again, and display pop-up windows while running in the background. Enable this one, always allow. And now we are all ready to use this software. Now let's think you have some important apps that are running and you don't want them to be force stopped. So here's an exception list here, as you can see. Let's add some exception list here. Okay, let's think you have Upwork, Fiverr, and Messenger, WhatsApp, and let's think you have a keyboard enabled, custom keyboard enabled, and you don't want it to be force stopped. Okay, so this is the 5 apps I don't want to be force stopped, and these are my exception list. Now click on the play icon here. As you can see, this is force stopping all of the apps that are running. So it will restrict them from using your resources like battery, RAM, and your storage. And this is temporary. Once you restart your device, open any app manually, it will start the service again. You may have several apps that you may not use, but it's running in the background. Okay, so this is very important. You force stop them and maximize your performance and battery, and it will restrict them from using all of the resources from your phone. Okay, so we are done here. Okay, so as you can see, all of the softwares that were running are force stopped and are not using our memory or our battery. So that's the way you can maximize your mobile speed and restrict them from using your resources like battery and RAM. Okay, so you can also use this software from if you are using another software, you can still close apps by clicking on this button here. Click on this, just open the notification panel and click on the close apps, and it will close all of the apps. From if you're using any other software, that will still close the apps. And make sure you make the exception list here. And another thing, if you restart your device or have any of the problem, if you cannot use this software anymore, make sure you make the proper permission, and proper permission like auto start and battery saver, no restriction. And if you still have the problem, just clear the software data. If you restart your device, you may not able to reuse the software again. Just clear the data and give the proper permission again, like this. As we enabled these settings before, give them the proper permission and it will be working again. So that's it. That's how you can maximize your phone speed and restrict apps, force stop apps, and restrict them from using resources. So that's it. Hope this has helped. Do subscribe my channel if this is helped, and click on the notification icon. Okay, so this is it. Have a nice day. Thank you.